The Twilight Funeral Booklet Template offers a serene and peaceful way to honor a loved one's life and memory. This beautiful design features a tranquil ocean horizon with a softly glowing sun setting in the distance, creating a calming and reflective atmosphere. The gentle twilight scene captures a sense of peace and grace, making it an ideal choice for families drawn to nature's quiet beauty. The Twilight Funeral Booklet Template is a DIY design, allowing you to personalize every detail at your own pace. After purchase, your file is available for instant download and can be easily edited using Microsoft Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, or Google Docs. This flexibility makes it simple to customize text, add photos, and adjust wording to reflect your loved one's story. Formatted as an 8-page funeral booklet, the Twilight Funeral Booklet Template provides ample space for an obituary, order of service, poems, scriptures, and personal tributes. If additional pages are needed, the layout can be expanded to accommodate more content. The template is available in both legal and tabloid sizes, giving you printing options that work best for your needs. The back of the Twilight Funeral Booklet Template continues the calming water-inspired background and includes a soft white transparent overlay, perfect for acknowledgments, meaningful verses, or closing words. Thoughtfully designed to bring comfort and reflection, this template creates a lasting keepsake filled with love, remembrance, and peace. Order and download yours today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.